Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the time zone for a user account in your Zoom meetings in 2026. So let us get started. So let me just close that meeting here. And you don't do this through the Zoom application, but you will need to access the web application of Zoom. So make sure that you log into your account, and here on the left hand side navigate or expand my account settings, and in 2026 guys you will find this option under the profile settings. So navigate to the profile settings, and here under information what you want to do is go through your settings like language and time zone and date format, and here on the time zone guys simply click into edit and choose your preferred time zone. So if I click into it, let me just go with Central European Standard Time, which is let us go with London time, and after that click into save, and that is going to change the time zone for your Zoom meeting. So for example, if you restart your Zoom meeting guys, you will see in the chat later here that the time zone has been changed, and you will see also the timestamps here in your messages with the correct time zone. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.